Let's talk about the vertical line test. A graph represents a function if and only if all vertical lines intersect the graph at most once. This parabola, at any given vertical line, I am only crossing the parabola, which is the graph, in at most one spot. It is a function. These graphs fail the vertical line test. They are not functions. As I drag a vertical line, there are places where my vertical line passes through that in more than one point. This circle is not a function. We have a sideways parabola. As I drag this vertical line across this parabola, you should see that I am crossing it in more than one spot. When x is 1, I have a y that is 1. I also have a y that's -1. When x is 4, I have a y that is 2. I also have a y that is -2. This sideways parabola is not a function. And this graph is also not a function because it fails the vertical line test. Let's try one more. Is this a function? I have a set of points. 2, 3, -5, 1, 1, 6, 2, 7. Maybe some of you already know that this is not a function. I have an x that is a 2. It is paired with 3. Later on, I have the same x, another 2. This time, it is paired with 7. This is not a function. Can we use the vertical line test on this? I plotted 2, 3, -5, 1, 1, 6, and 2, 7. Now you notice these points are not connected. It's just a set of points. I will take my vertical line. I'm doing okay, but guess what? When I get to 2, I have a y that is 3. I also have a y that is 7. This set of points failed the vertical line test. And finally, let's talk about horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines, y equals lines, those are functions. But vertical lines, which are x equal lines, in this case, when I get to x equals 2, I have not one, but I have many, 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 many y's with it. It fails the vertical line test.